Welcome guys, today we're gonna play this parkour map by someone I don't know, today it's a wonderful day. I hope you have a fantastic day. I'm just kidding, okay? Goodbye. I hope that you have, okay? I'm not kidding now. I hope you have a fantastic day. Give me some money. I'll TB to you. Oh no, I'm not TBing to you because you are dead. Oh, I'm dead too. Beautiful. I hate this. Okay, world, it's between me and you now. Huh? You are not wanted me to play parkour like I should. Help me, my friend. We died at the same time. Okay, my friend, I'm going to do this. Goodbye. Help yourself, Enderbo. You see me dying, huh? And you didn't do anything? You're a bad person. You know this? What? This was... Come here. Come here. TB to me. You stupid Andrew. Okay. I will go without you. Come here. TB. Oh, no. Oh, great. Come. I'm going forward. Oh, my head is so headache. Wee! Oh no! I lose! Don't worry, I'll TB to you, man. TB. Who is my friend in the bro? Ah, I TB to you. Oh, you fell down. TB to me! No! I will TB to you. Get up and I will TB to you. This will be so funny. Come on, get up. Okay. Go. Okay. Beautiful. Goodbye. Sucker. You're a sucker. I hate you very much. You're a bad person. How did you jump too back high? Are you cheating? What the heck? I think he's cheating, guys. You are cheating. I know. You are cheating. Sorry, man. Sorry, خلاص. No! Stop! You're a bad dog. I'm just joking. I hate you. You are not killing me. Oh my god, he is killing me. Sorry, man. I'm sorry. I'm so sorry. I'm just sad, okay? Where are you? Huh? What the heck? Stop! I would me. What? Why did you do this? Huh? What? Nothing at all. Come! TB to me! Mario! I'm just joking. I'm an Ender Boy. Man, guys, Ender Boy is best. In the link in the description. Ender Boy. Buy it and it's in the store.com. Okay, I lose. I give up, okay? Do your homework now. Go! Great boy. Good job. Stupid boy. TB to me. Huh? TB to me. To have his bad point. Hey man, I hate you. What will you do? Goodbye. I will kill myself. What the heck are you? Oh, Raj. Okay, stop. I'll TB to you. You are stupid. Super stupid. I didn't find a person like you. You are not smart, man. Huh? You are happy now? You are super stupid. I see. I'll TB to you. Please. Don't. You stupid creature. Okay, I'm coming. I TP to you and I beside you. I hate you very much. No, don't fall. No, you stupid. Can you wait 1 minute to TP to you? 1 minute only. What the heck? Okay, I hate you, man. I will. Where? Wait, I can TP. Okay, you're not making me TP to you. I'm killing you. Okay? I have an idea. Super idea. Slash game. Oh man, this is not funny. No, I'm not killing him. Slash game mode 0. No, I'm not survival. I forget this. Slash game mode 1 or slash game mode 1. I remember this. Slash game mode 1. Then we go. Look at this super jump in the boy. Oh my god. Oh my god. He will know. Look at this. I'm a Superman. Look at this, guys. We Are you okay? Huh? I'm Superman. I'm supernatural. You don't know me. I'm super. Oh my god. He doesn't know. He even doesn't care. Oh, what is the hair? No. There's something. I think there's something in my head. Nothing in my head. Oh my god, where do we go now? I think I know what I'm doing. I'm flying up high. Yeah. It's not like oh yeah. عندي فكرة. I have an idea, guys. Look at this. This is super funny. Choose one. Hey, why did you do this? Come. I'm going in here. What is the heck? I'm not trolling. I'm in creative, stupid. Wait, what? You go in the right room? I'm a stupid creature? No, I'm not stupid. I'm destroying everything. Hey, yo! No! Okay. Where are we now? What is the heck? What is the heck? Whee! I'm flying to see what the heck is this. I'll make you fly. We win. Guys, I like to thank you very... What the heck are you doing? I don't know what to do. Guys, it's ridiculous. I'm cheating, okay? I destroyed every single block here. For playing... I'm destroying every single block. Goodbye! Goodbye! A lot of buttons. Great. Yeah, I'm destroying my bag. I'm getting out of here. Getting the heck out of here. Okay, that wasn't successful. We cheated. I know that's wrong, but it was good to cheat. I love myself now. I love myself. I don't hate myself. Great job. We did super great job. So, on that note, I like you to watch my videos. Important, okay? And watch Andrew Brawl videos. He's my friend. He's my cousin. He is my brother. And watch 5 Schoolboy videos coming soon. And watch Alex 121213134. I don't know why this name is super long, but I'm now say goodbye to the map. I love it very much. I hate it very much. It doesn't do anything. I don't have a bottom in my head. I don't know why I played it, but I hate it. I hate it very much. So on that note, I like you to subscribe to Dennis, subscribe to me, subscribe to Enderbro. I would like you to subscribe to everybody. And goodbye.